Good morning, students. Let us start with the new chapter, that is separation of substances. In this chapter, you will learn to separate components of the mixture. In nature, there are very few substances that occur in the pure form. Most of the substances that are found are in mixed form only. Okay, and to obtain pure substances, we need to separate these mixtures. We do not get pure form very easily. Whatever we get nowadays is in the form of a mixture only. So if we have to get a pure substance, we have to separate these mixtures. First of all, let us see what are pure substances. Any substance which is made up of only one kind of particle is called as a pure substance. Okay, like for example, iron, silver, water, oxygen. If we take them separately, they all are pure substances. So that means they are made up of only one kind of particle. And what is a mixture? When two or more pure substances are mixed together in such a way that each component retains its property, we call it a mixture. Okay. So what is a mixture? It is a combination of two or more pure substances. Clear? Or when two or more pure substances are mixed together, it is called as a mixture. Let us take example. For example, air. You have studied, children, air is a mixture of many gases. Like it contains oxygen, it contains 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, then carbon dioxide. It also contains dust particles, water vapors. Now if you make a sugar solution, what is a sugar solution? It is a mixture of sugar plus water. In the same way, brass is made up of copper and zinc. So you see, children, mixture is a combination of two or more substances, and pure substance is made up of only one kind of particle. Now here an activity is given. What you have to take? Two beakers A and B, and you have to fill them with water. In beaker E, 2 teaspoons of salt, and in beaker B, 4 spoons of salt. You have to stir it. When you keep stirring it, will you find any difference? See, even though they both are looking same, their compositions are different. They are both salt solution. But we can say that salt solution is a mixture, as the amount of salt and water in it can be different. In first beaker you had added 2 spoons full, and in second one you had added 4 spoons. Okay, so they both are salt solution. Now why do we need to separate? What is the need for separation? Now see, you all eat namkeens at home which contains groundnuts. Some of you do not like groundnuts. So what do? You pick out the groundnut and first you eat them, and then you eat the mixture or the namkeen. And those of you don't like them would still pick them out and keep them separately. There are some children, कुछ बच्चे होंगे उसको groundnut को निकाल के हटा के रख देते हैं. Okay, so that means what are you doing? You are separating that mixture. Okay, then a mixture may contain two or substances in any ratio, and these substances are called components of a mixture. Now and we need to separate these components. Now to remove the undesirable or harmful components. First of all, what is the reason that we have to separate? Like for example, okay, you have seen your mother removing the stones from the rice. So what are stones? Stones are undesirable components. You do not like to chew the stones. खाने के बीच में पत्थर चबाना अच्छा लगता है? No. So what is the reason that we have to separate the mixture? The first reason is to remove undesirable and harmful components. ठीक है? Undesirable. Example is given. Small pieces of stones and unwanted grains are removed from rice and pulse before cooking. Then to remove the impurities obtain pure sample of a substance. Like in medicines, research, industries, what do we need? You need pure substances. So impurity has to be removed. Then to separate useful components of a mixture so that each component can be properly used. Separation is again important so that you can take out the useful component. For example, petrol, diesel, kerosene. What are these? These are important useful substances from crude petroleum. What is crude petroleum? Crude petroleum is कच्चा तेल. ओके जिसको कहते हैं ना कच्चा तेल. यू कैनॉट यूज़ क्रूड पेट्रोलियम एज इट इज़. क्रूड पेट्रोलियम कंटेन्स मैनी थिंग्स. उसके अंदर बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती है. सो फ्रॉम क्रूड पेट्रोलियम they take out petrol, diesel, kerosene. Okay. So what is the need of separation? The need of separation is first to remove undesirable or harmful components, to remove the impurities so that you can obtain pure substance, and to separate useful components. These are the need for separation. Now we will study the various methods of separation. How we can separate the methods. How we can separate the mixtures. That we will see in the next class. Till then, be safe, children.